Today let's learn about getting started with the time tracker application. So to start using the time tracker application, you need to install it from the Salesforce App Exchange. So go to Salesforce App Exchange, search for PK4 time tracker and click it. So now you see two options as try it free and get it now. If you want to install the application in your sandbox, click the try it free button. For the production org, get it now. So you select the option and install the application in Salesforce and search for PK4 time tracker. So you see all the tabs related to the time tracker are visible. By default, there is an app key generated as the configuration which is set up to track time to project, task, and work time. So if you want to track time to different objects in your org, click on the app name. So I'll show you how to do it. So it is this is an app key which is generated by the time tracker application by default. So if you want to make the changes to the configuration, click the app name, go to the config, and here you can make the configuration changes where you can change the objects for which you want to track time. So as I said, the project first level will be project, second will be task, and the work type will be the third level object, which is by default for tracking time. So you can change it to anything, like it can be according to your requirements. So I can make it as opportunity, and second level can be accounts or anything. So whatever changes you want to make, you can make it as the field, the objects as mandatory, or you can just leave it as optional, and all other filters can be added, and then click the save button to make the configuration changes. So once the configuration changes are made, you can go to TT Users tab, click the new button and add the user information and click the save button so that another can start testing the application. So multiple ways where you can track time. So this is the multi-line where you will be able to choose the date, date, start time, hours worked. So start time I'll make it as 9 a.m. Work for 2 hours. So project. So I'll just select the project, and this task and work types are optional. So I'll select the job complete, completion notes, and click the submit button. One time entry is added now. So like this only you make multiple time entries in the multi-line. Or if you want to add time for a week, you can go to the weekly tab, select the project, task and work type, and enter the time for the whole week. So this can be for the current week or previous week, anything. You can just click the previous button to go to the previous week and the next button to go to the next week and enter the time. So here you have an option to add time for the weekends also. Once the data is entered, you can click the submit button. Same way, you can enter the time in the multi-day. So there are different options to enter time. So you use any of the lightning components or the multi-line, multi-entry object for entering the time. For more details, please contact us, and we'll demo the product to you and we'll help you with the testing and while using the application in your org. Thank you.